Something about the way it goes on. I don't ever wanna let go. All I wanna do is put on. Yeah. All I wanna do is put on, put on, put on. Yeah. All I wanna do is put on. Yeah. Coming out the barbershop too lit. Pocket full of nickels blowing super draw. Smoother than the Cadillac with cruise control. Doing what I do, you know. Women playing hard to get. As I pull up on the boulevard, flossing it. Like, ain't that boy cold? Ain't that boy cold? Something like a freezer, ain't I? Even when I seem kinda out of season, ain't I? Up to date with it. Do your thing, don't play with it. Fade away sweet like Jay did it. Swish. Summertime with a winter breeze. Summer grind on my mind, I don't get to breathe. Yeah. There you go, hey. Light on up. Put that spice off in my blood. Roll that Sprite off in my cup. And we rollin'. Better tell somebody we rollin' on it. We rollin'. Better tell somebody we rollin' on it. We rollin'. Roll right now, bounce like that. 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 Roll right now. Coming out the crib in my house shoes. I don't even know why they call them house shoes. Should call them corner kicks.
What's up, y'all? So, I am so upset that this is not coming my size. This is for my wife, actually. So this is the Jordan 1 Lucky Greens. Unfortunately, I wasn't lucky enough. Nike, why do you do this? Jordan brand, why do you do this? Come up with heaters like this and not share the love with everyone. Like, seriously, these should be available for everyone. And I'm gonna tell you one thing about these shoes, and you can't really tell because of the lighting in here, but you can see a little bit. You can see a little bit of that right there. See that crinkle right there? That tumble leather, and it's a soft. I mean, I'll say this. Of course, everybody wants to compare them to the Shadow backboards, which I have a pair back there. I have that with the reverse, which the leather on there is ridiculous. But this right here, as soon as you pick it up and you touch it, it's just like soft. Like you want to rub this against your skin, you know. No kind of sneak perversion here, but I'm just saying, it just feels really good. It feels really good. It doesn't feel plasticky. It's a great material that they used on here. So even right here, all the white here is a tumble leather in there. Then the leather on the heel, and then around the toe box this is premium. I can't even deny it. It's straight premium. And even though I'm not a big fan of like the patent leather, plasticky, not quite patent leather, but plasticky signs that are coming on a lot of the mids and some of the lows, but still, it works here. It works. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, I made a joke that not a joke. It's a fact. The color blocking on this, because all of you know I'm Nigerian, so I got to represent for Nigeria. Our flag is green and white, but my wife is from Trinidad, and of course you have the red hints in black. So we were like, these were designed or meant for some kind of connection to Nigeria and Trinidad. So this was faith, but fate, not faith, but fate. But these are so fire. Like, these are so dope. Like, again, why not make these in men's sizes? The highs of these go up to a woman's 12, which is 10 and a half. I can fit in a 10 and a half, but of course, you know what's going to happen. Everybody who's 11 is going to go after those 10 and a half. Everybody who's a 10 and a half is going to go for those 10 and a half. Everybody who's a 10 is going to go for those as well. Because, where's my camera not focusing real quick? Hold on a second here. Here we go. I'm over here acting like I'm in focus. But nonetheless, these are amazing. Like, yo, like, I have to say right now, these are probably my favorite Nah, I can't say that. I really can't say that. These are not my favorite. These are my second favorite of Jordan 1s for this year. My favorites, I'll show you real quick. Let me show you. Okay, these what I'm about to show you are my favorites, and I've done a video. I've done a video on these, but I didn't give it its proper place. I was doing an unboxing of a couple of pairs that I purchased together, and I'm realizing that I did this a serious injustice because I should do a video for the shoe by itself, and I will because I actually have quite a few pairs now. I'm sorry, the biohacks are insane as far as just the colorway blocking on these are just crazy. It's just like stupid. Like I'm like who, like I don't know, the brain that came up with this is a brain after my heart. Like yo, I love these right here. But I'll tell you one thing though, even though I love these, the color blocking, the materials are decent. But I'll tell you right now, better material. I'm sorry. This feels way better in hand. This feels way more premium in hand. This looks good, but this is premium right here. So I'm telling you right now, this is like a triple flame fuego right here. Like this is just it's just the lucky greens. Nike, please, Jordan Brand, make more like this. Throw more material like this. You know, for those of us who are a little more grown and sexy, they want to throw stuff like this with our suits, so we can have leather in our feet and not loafers or dress shoes or wingtips, but we could have J's in our feet with our suits and kill the game. But still, my favorite because the brain behind this is just crazy. But these right here, honestly, and I'll say this: this could easily be my favorites if they came in my size. But I have these in my size, so I gotta rock with what makes the most sense. But again, insane. These are dope. These are crazy. And of course, you're talking about it comes with additional laces on here. You know, this is how you should rock them. The red laces on here. And this feels like more like an infrared right here, but this right here should be the laces on these. You know. And of course, I love the tag, the leather tag on here. Like this is a nice touch right here. Going old school when damn near every joint used to come with a Nike keychain or tab on them. But again, this is an amazing shoe. I love the way the tongue has the Nike Air on there, but that black red with that white background, it just makes it pop. This is just a dope shoe. All right, y'all. That's all I want to do. I just want to take a few minutes and share with you this pickup. Amazing. If you get your hands on them, get them. But they sold out. I know on Nike app, and I get the tweets from what's that, Nike Sneaker Huddle, and every site they sent is sold out. But it's in the market right now, and the prices are a little steeper than obviously for my blood, but it might be worth it, you know. But I'm not a sneaker finance guy, so I can't even speak for that. But I can tell you about what I like, and this is something that I know that I'm going to love for a while, and I'm going to be heartbroken because they didn't come in my size. All right, y'all, I'm done. I'll at y'all later, okay? Put some music back on here. And real quick, this song right here that I'm playing is by and this artist called Thonio. So like Antonio, but Thonio. And I gotta give him a shout out. He hit me up on one of my videos because I had used a song on as in my video, and he hit me up thanking me for using the song. I'm like, yo, bro, thank you for making such a banger. I'm from the West Coast, represent for LA, Inglewood, California, where the Lakers used to play, the Great Western Forum. But that song reminds me of a sunny day in Southern California. either the top dropped down, convertible, or just having your sunroof open, that beautiful California breeze on the ocean when the smog is not killing you. Like, this song takes me back to my childhood. So, Thonio, thank you so much for creating dope music, and I thank you for allowing me to be able to use your music in my video. All right, peace, y'all.
Cause you're only kicking and I'm on your corner shit. Cruising through the Ave in my pajama gear. Got me feeling so lavender. Out here dodging bull like a matador. Oh, I mean a matador. Got women catching piss like a catheter. It's so crazy. I should've said Kelly. I should've said only in this piece with the belly. I should've said we only carry a piece when they're jelly. Get the women in the telly and everybody be mellow. Well, I mean they be mellow. Rolling up, sipping jello. Women be saying hello, my homies be screaming